In this experiment, we will compare the rate of heat transfer by radiation through different types of windows. This wooden box has a removable lid and a window opening. The interior surfaces are covered with black polystyrene foam boards. This gives a good radiation absorption to the interior and good thermal insulation to the exterior. Secure a sheet of single-glazed glass on the window opening of the wooden box. Insert a temperature sensor through the hole at the center of the lid. Tightly close the lid. Make sure the tip of the sensor is right at the center of the box. Place a 200-watt lamp at around 10 centimeters in front of the glass. The center of the lamp should be at the same bench level as the tip of the sensor. Measure the distance between the center of the lamp and the temperature sensor. This distance must be kept constant throughout the experiment. Switch on the lamp. Run the data logging program to capture temperature readings every second for 10 minutes. Now, we obtain a graph showing the temperature change at the center of the box. Repeat the experiment with low E glass and glass with solar control window film in turn. Allow the box to cool down to room temperature first before each set of measurements. Compare the graphs obtained by the data logging program. Which type of glass has the slowest radiation heat transfer?